gonna take you with the moon again. Last time I lost because you interrupted me and you're here again. Oh, he saw me again! Oh, you always gotta get me in trouble.
Tommy, are you okay?
This is the same pole again. They need to move that pole from here. Ah! Oh! You broke my pole!
What the heck are you guys doing here?
I think he's dead.
Tommy, are you dead?
Yeah, he's dead.
Oh shit, Tommy, the moon's coming to get you.
He's gonna take this hat and... Yep. Tommy, look, the moon's gonna get you!
Oh, that's true.